Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. This is going to be my first unboxing video on this YouTube channel. So first of all, let me introduce this product. This is XP Pen Deco 01 version 2 by XP Pen. So it is a very useful product that designers can use or artists can use to draw or teacher can use to write easily on the computer screen. But at very basic level, anyone can use it at the place of mouse. कोई भी इसे यूज़ कर सकता है माउस की जगह पे. इस बॉक्स के पीछे हमें मिल जाती हैं कुछ स्पेसिफिकेशन. सो स्क्रीन को पॉज कर लीजिए और पढ़ सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So this is our box. Let's see what's inside the box. So it opens like this, and here is our tablet. So first of all, we have tablet here. Let me remove this, and after that we have a protecting sheet. Let me remove it. So this is a fiber sheet or something synthetic. So let me place here. After that we have here our pen stand. So it is here. So this is our cute looking stylus. We will be using it after the video. And here we have some accessories. This is type C, USB to type C cable. There are OTGs, some pins are here, some nibs, and that's all. That's complete unboxing, and let's explore the accessories we get in this box. So here we get USB to type C cable. There are two OTGs. There is a warranty card or some manuals, thank you card. There is a glove, awkward looking glove, 2-fingered, and there are total 8 nibs, 8 extra nibs that we can exchange, like we can use at place of this nib. And after that we have a quick guide. So let's unwrap these items. It is the stand on which we are going to put our pen, like this. This is a little loose, but we can also place it like this. Put it aside. Here we have protecting sheet. After that, here is our pen tablet. Let me open it.
Few moments later.
This is all what we get inside the box. So first of all, there is a stylus, or we can say pen. This is battery free pen, means no need to charge, no need to put batteries in. And here we have two buttons on it, upper and lower. We can assign this button for different tasks. Here is the nib. All the magic is in this pen. It supports pressure sensitivity and also respond to tilt, means if we are tilting this pen at degree 60 or 45 degree, it will work as shading like pencil do. And this is all about this stylus. And after that, this is the stand. We can use it to place it, and there are two ways to place the pen. This is the one, and we can simply put it like this. And after that, on the other side of stand, we get the option to remove or to change the pen nib. We can place this nib in this hole, and we can remove by following these steps. After that, we get these 8 small nibs of pen. लेकिन एक ही निब काफ़ी दिनों तक चलेगी, लगभग 6 महीने 8 महीने तक चलेगी, और मुश्किल ही आप पूरे यूज़ कर पाओ. उसके बाद हमारे पास OTGs हैं, बता चुका हूँ आपको, जो कि है माइक्रो USB और एक है C टाइप. So if you are an Android user, you can use either micro USB or type C. So next is we have cable, that is USB to type C, means this will be here in the tablet. So after that I will show you. So this will be used in tablet and this will go into your laptop or PC, or by using these OTGs you can use this USB in your Android phone. And the very good thing is that you can use this product in Android, Windows as well as in Mac OS also. After that we have a glove, we have a protection sheet, and after all of this we have our tablet. So we have 8 shortcut keys on the left side of this tablet. Here is branding name, and this is active area, means these small dots are showing the active area in which we have to work. After that there is nothing, and on the left side we have टाइप सी अडॉप्टर, कुछ भी कह लो इसको, जिसमें हम लोग टाइप सी केबल लगाएंगे। पीछे हमको रबर पैडिंग मिल जाती है ताकि आपका टैबलेट जो है सरके ना, गिरे ना, और बस इतना ही था। और यहाँ पे एक और शीट अभी लगी हुई है, तो हम लोग इसको अभी नहीं निकालते हैं, देखते हैं कब तक यूज़ कर पाते हैं। उसके बाद हमारे पास ये प्रोटेक्शन शीट है ही और उसको हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो पहली अनबॉक्सिंग के हिसाब से आप बताइए कैसी थी अनबॉक्सिंग, और बाकी अनबॉक्सिंग का तो पता नहीं, ये तो ज़रूरत वाला प्रोडक्ट था तो हमने ले लिया और अनबॉक्सिंग भी दिखा दी। इसके बाद मैं अगली वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि इसको अपने कंप्यूटर में कैसे सेटअप करें और हम लोग किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सारी भूल चूक माफ़ करिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा ताकि आपको इस तरह की वीडियोज़ लगातार मिलती रहें। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द फुल वीडियो।